Welcome to my channel Options Trader Tour. Today in this video I will tell you how the price of natural gas has moved in the last 2 days and how the price of natural gas can move in the next 2 days. See, if you look at the chart of natural gas, what we have seen, I have already told you that if the price goes above, means make a top, we will see there will be a downfall. How? You can see that whenever it made a high, we have seen a continuous downfall. Okay, if you look at this chart carefully, you will notice that first, second, third and fourth time it has come down. Now again we have seen a swing. If you look at these charts, now to move natural gas more upside. Before we move forward, if you have any doubt regarding natural gas or any other commodities, mail me at stockmarkettradinglive@gmail.com and a mail ID I have given in the description. Please watch the full video, then you will understand how this technical natural gas and other commodities are working. And if you wish to join my Telegram channel, link I have given in the description, you can join. See, look at the chart. We can see a green candle is forming and the other green candle following it. Okay, and there is a swing. If you look at the downside, if you backtest it, you will know that there is a swing is created. Suppose if this level sustain, we can see it can move further upside towards a level of 6.949. Suppose if the price goes above that level, then we can see a probability of touching a level of 7.181, and if the price goes up level, then we can see a probability of touching 7.220. and suppose if the price goes above that level, then we can see a probability of touching a new level at around 7.278, and from there we can see it can go further upside towards a level of 7.548. okay, and once the price goes above that level, then we can see it can go further upside towards a level of 7.839, and from there we can see it can go further upside towards a level of 8.2. Once it sustain a level of 8.2, what we can see, it can go further upside towards a level of 8.633, and from there we can see it can go further higher. Okay, but suppose if the price sustain above 8.6, then we can see it can go further upside. Suppose if the price didn't sustain this particular level, what we can see, it can go further down towards a level of, suppose if the price didn't sustain this particular level, what we can see, it can go further down, because what we can see at a level of around 8.680, a next support coming at around 6.595, and I have already explained you that after 6.9 has crossed downside, a probability of touching 6.5 will be already touched that level and moved upside. So we have seen a trend towards more, we can see it can move towards an uptrend. Okay, but if you look at the chart, what we have seen, if you look at from upside, from the top side we have seen a swing. Now from a downside, if you look at this trend, we can see a probability of moving further higher. Okay, suppose if the price sustain this level, we can see it can go towards a level of 6.951, and from there we can see it can move towards a level of 7.191, and suppose if it sustain this level, we can see it can move further high. But suppose if the price didn't sustain this level, we can see it can go towards a level of 6.597, and if that level also didn't sustain, we can see it can go further down towards a level of 6.483. okay, and if that level goes downside, a probability of touching 6.244 will be there, and once if it goes below that level, then we can see it can move further down towards a level of 5.878. Once if it touch this level, you can check my previous video where I explained you the price goes below this level where it can move further down. Okay, any doubt you can mail me regarding that. And understand something, if you are trading, you have to be careful, because if you are, suppose if you are trading with $10,000 for the beginner as well as average people, if suppose if you are trading with $10,000, it can be lakh also, it can be 1,000 also, so you have to be careful when you trade. Okay, suppose if you are trading with $10,000, try to trade with 10 to 15% of capital per trade, that comes to 1,000 to 1,500. Risk 0.5 to 1%, that comes to $50 to $100. okay, now suppose if you take 5 trades, you know your risk will be $500 max, and that means one per trade, that will be $100 your risk, and 5 trades you take, the $500 will be your risk. So suppose if you lose all 5 trades, you know your risk will be $500, so you will not be psychologically more into recovering that particular loss, but rather you can focus more on profit the next day. Okay, so probability will be there, you can make good amount, and your strategies will be according to your plan. Okay, this is what I teach in my workshop, where I teach you how to overcome all these problems where the people lose their money, and how to overcome all these problems and be a good trader. Okay, So hope you like the video, and if you like the video, please go thumbs up, and if you're new to my channel, please subscribe it. Thank you.